Okay, hello everyone and welcome to DTW Tutorials. Welcome. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to access your study planner. Okay, this is a feature on the DTW JAMB CBT app, also on the WIEC app, every app, your NCE, your BECE app. Okay, so BEC is for junior WIEC, NCE is for common entrance, the primary 5 and 6 exam. Okay, so for the JAMB one, you will come here. When you enter into your app, it loads up. Okay, all right, you come into classroom. All right, classroom, can you see it? It's a new feature, so when you update your app, it will prompt you to create a study plan. All right, so what you do is you do create. Okay, you select your subjects. So let's say English, biology, chemistry, and you're doing physics. Okay, you say okay. So you can create a plan that you will cover your syllabus in 30 days, and it will show you the topics that you're going to read. So let's say you want to start today, then let us put the end date. So in 30 days is in 30 days will be like January, let's say January 30th or 31st. Okay, so we say okay. All right, so you can exclude, you can check, select the days you want to study. If you don't want to study on Sunday, uncheck it. All right, so the days you want to study, if you're a worker, you work during the weekdays, those days that you're busy, very busy, that maybe when you come back you'll be so tired you can't read. Maybe those days for you is Monday, and you say okay, Saturday, Sunday, I'll maximize my day, so you select Sunday. So it depends on you, whichever day you want to study in the week. Okay, if you want to exclude some holidays, just like we have Christmas holiday, you can put your Christmas, you exclude that day. You see it has added it up. You add maybe 26, you want to relax, and with your family and all that, you add it up. Okay, you add also first. First is like a Thanksgiving for everyone. All right, so you add it up to relax and all that. So, and you can see you set your start date today and your end date 30 January. We're looking at covering our syllabus, our JAMB syllabus, in how many days? 30 days. So we do create. Okay, so you can see it has created a study time for you. All right, it says today you have to read 4 hours. Are you with me? And it has shown you what to read from your syllabus. Your syllabus is on the app, it's in the classroom. I'm going to go there very soon. All right, so it has shown you for 52 minutes you have to read this from the classroom. Okay, for chemistry, so page 1 to 8, introduction to chemistry, that is what you have to read. All right, so this one you have to read the syllabus. You don't really need to read the syllabus, you get my point. Okay, English, you have to go through the syllabus. Going through the syllabus will just give you a scope of what you need to cover. All right, but you don't need to go through it. So just go and read, like this English, go into comprehension and summary and just start your study. Okay, and so let us go back to your classroom and you see where you are to study. Okay, so let's say for example now this is your English. Okay, so this is the syllabus. This is your English syllabus. Okay, in the app you have your syllabus outlined for you. So the next topic, okay, after your syllabus, the first topic is your comprehension. So the app says you have to read here. One, that's your study planner. You have to read, and after you read, there is exercise. You have to do this exercise. See, you must, before you skip, okay, you must get 8% before you even see your correction. Are you with me? After reading that, you take a test. There's a test that will test you, and you keep on repeating it until you get 80% before you see your correction, and before it's now register in your planner that you have finished that topic for that day. Do you see that? So use this. Also, oh sorry, you also use your textbooks also to further deepen your knowledge. All right, not only the class. Students ask me, oh, should I just depend on only the class notes on the app? No, now these are notes. When you're in school, there's difference between notes and textbook. Textbook gives you a deeper understanding, deeper knowledge, and it has more questions. So this what we are doing here is to spark up your interest to study. So once you have read this small class note, when you now open your textbook, it is now easy for you to, flow and understand. All right. So I want you to take, make good use of this study. You can see it, create study planner. You can see it right here. All right. Make good use of it and work on it. Okay. So please do make, can you see that? It says completed. We have read. Can you see it? We entered comprehension and summary. It says completed. Now you have to do the exercise until it says pending. When you complete the exercise, it will say completed. So this is like a checker. All right. So I encourage you to get the DTW CBT app, JAMB CBT app. We are here. Why we brought out this study plan, because a lot of students have been asking, Ma, how do I draft my own timetable? How do I do this? How do I write it? Now, see, that's why, digital technology is here to simplify our lives. Now we've sat down with the technical team, we've created this. So many futures for you. Okay, we've created this for you. So I want you to maximize and use this. All right, are you with me? Maximize and use this. And please share the DTW JAMB CBT app with your friends, family, and loved ones. Please help us, support us. It costs 4,000 naira to activate for a whole year. For 1 year. It's as cheap as it can get, and a very valuable tool, not only for your study planner, for also your practice. Look at your practice, where you can practice, set your subjects and time yourself. There's also the question search. You finish reading a topic, you want to get more questions from the past question database. Like this English now, you come here, you say everywhere, you type in, let me not use English, let me use something like chemistry. You come here, you put Avogadro's law. Okay, let's say Avogadro's law. All right, let's say you read that in your chemistry. All right, Avogadro's law. You search, it would, in seconds, are you with me? In seconds, can you see this? It will draw out from the database questions under this topic. Can you imagine this? Instead of you buying that paper book and you are looking for a question, you'll be flipping. Do you know how many minutes you've wasted? Enter it. Look at questions under Avogadro, and it will show you the answer, the explanation. Are you with me? So you try it. Please get the DTW Tutorials CBT app, okay, for your JAMB exam. There's also for WAEC. There's also for the same futures, common entrance and BEC. I can't exhaust myself preaching this app. A lot of features. There's AI tutor. You can ask AI. Oh my God. I didn't even show you that feature. When you enter into classroom, even without entering into classroom, look at AI tutor. You can ask AI tutor any question to explain it for you. You can speak to it. I don't want to talk too much, but get this app. See, in fact, people are telling me 4,000 is too cheap. But I want it to be accessible to many as possible. Are you with me? So it's to activate it, 4,000 naira a year. Contact us. You can pay online through the app. If you want to pay to our bank account, also WhatsApp me. Okay? So thank you, and make sure you use this feature. And I'll post this thing on our groups, and I'm going to be asking everybody every day. After you create your study plan, I'm going to be checking on you. Give me a screenshot of what you've read. So make sure you join our study groups every day. I won't do it on the WhatsApp group, because when you open it now, people will just be spam, and it's so hard to delete. Someone will just come and spam the group with like almost 50 messages on crypto scam and all that, and it will be so hard to delete. But on Telegram, I would open it up on Telegram. On Telegram, it's easy to delete. Just delete that whole thing that the person is removing from the group, and all the messages will be removed. So on Telegram, I'll leave it open, and I'll be asking you to send me a screenshot of what you've done today. You've done your 30 days. You've created your study plan for 30 days. Every day, you'll be sharing your screenshot of what you've read. So make sure you join the Telegram group, and also you can join the WhatsApp group, okay? And the Facebook group is also opened. All right, thank you. You are destined to win. Don't forget that Jesus Christ is coming soon. Please do give your life to Christ, for He's the way, He's the truth, and He is the life. You are blessed.